So after the gigantic victory of BJP in Uttar Pradesh, I was watching this live debate on NDTV. And what caught my attention was the clear bias in the narrative the liberal media has towards a section of population, and which they do smartly by creating an atmosphere of insecurity. Let's watch this video to understand what I'm saying.
ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल मैनेजमेंट, त्यागी जी ने बात कही, बिल्कुल सही कहा। अमित शाह जी ने बहुत अच्छा मैनेजमेंट किया, बट दैट वाज नॉट इंस्पायर्ड जस्ट बाय कास्ट कैलकुलेशन, दैट वाज इंस्पायर्ड बाय द मोटिवेशन ऑफ ट्रू सोशल जस्टिस। अरे भाई, जो पिछड़ों के मसीहा की बात करते थे,
मुसलमानों का क्या हुआ?
कन्फाइंड देमसेल्फ टू वन कास्ट।
सुधांशु जी, फिर मुस्लिम्स का क्या हुआ?
वो जस्ट शेयरिंग द पावर, कन्फाइंड देमसेल्फ टू वन फैमिली, एंड व्हेन इट केम टू शेयरिंग मोर पावर टू माय सन एंड माय ब्रदर. So, the OBC people
and
the scheduled caste people have also realized कि इन लोगों के खाने के दांत और दिखाने के दांत और
नहीं, but Muslims का क्या हुआ फिर?
Now, want to get the vote of Muslims.
Let's pause a bit here. The NDTV anchor Nidhi Razdan kept on interrupting Sudhanshu Trivedi by harping about Muslims not just once or twice, but 4 times, and a dozen times later in the show. Well done, Nidhi. You truly deserve an applause for this performance. And then Sudhanshu Trivedi actually gave her a thrashing reply.
By creating confidence. अब आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं, हमने कभी हिंदू मुस्लिम को इशू नहीं बनाया. इन द रिसेंटली कंक्लूडिंग हु हैज फर्स्ट रेज द इशू? मायावती. मुस्लिम समाज अपना वोट बर्बाद ना करे, हमको दे. देन मुलायम सिंह सेड अखिलेश हैज डन नथिंग फॉर मुस्लिम्स. देन अखिलेश सेड आई हैव डन सो मच सो फॉर मुस्लिम्स. सो यू योरसेल्फ हैज मेड एन इशू. And you remember at one point of time, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has said that Muslims should have first right over the natural resources of India. If you want to have this the discourse of secular India, it means you yourself in a fault line and you are creating yourself a negative
How
image.
How do you want to win the confidence of Muslims if you are not going to give a single Muslim a seat to contest in UP?
Now here comes the best part. Sudhanshu Trivedi comes up with a point backed by a statistic that mutes everyone.
It's a serious question. I mean, if you are a party that is inclusive and as you say that that you won UP on this sort of development progressive agenda, if you're saying you want to win Muslims over with a positive agenda, then you haven't given a single Muslim a ticket. So do you think, and I asked this question the other day, that the BJP should just say it's a Hindu nationalist
now I will answer
party?
that also.
Yeah.
Bingo! Her first buzzword, Hindu nationalism. Some of words like Hindu nationalism and Hindu terrorism are gaining a lot of fame of late.
And Nidhi, I will answer with the proper statistics. In UP, what is the percentage of Muslims? It's around 18-19%. And what is the percentage of Muslims in government services? 2%. In Bengal, they are 27%. And in government services, it is 2%. In Gujarat, they are 8%. And in the government services, they are 8%. And I would like to ask, यूपी में बताइए 80% SDM एक जात के थे, 75% SHOs were from one caste. कितने मुस्लिम थे? From BSP, the district coordinator was the most powerful post. They were not from one class, they were from one caste. कितने मुस्लिम्स थे? तो Muslims are also understanding. You are just taking them.
Guys, here comes the big moment. Sudhanshu Trivedi has just made a brilliant point. And knowing that this is going to put all the panelists on the defensive, Nidhi Razdan smartly chooses to change the topic. Just watch ahead.
They are trying to hoodwink the Muslim voters, and we are hopeful that as we are able to break the caste bracket, a time will come we will be able to break this communal bracket also.
Okay, I want to ask Shugata Roy, the question though is that the opposition should be worried for many reasons right now, but one of the things is that Narendra Modi and Amit Shah are already planning 2019, sir. You know, they've got their act together. The Congress, you know, for whatever reasons, hasn't been able to do a post-mortem yet about what has happened in UP. But Mr. Modi and Amit Shah are already hitting the ground running, and you guys need to do that very quickly as well, if there's any hope of any success for the opposition.
Just look at her desperation. She's like, come on guys, Modi and Amit Shah are already running for 2019. What are you guys doing? We don't want this government again. Do something. So hope you enjoyed watching the hollow agenda of mainstream media, my friends. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such infotainment. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to our website. Thank you.